Greetings, Madume. How are you guys? I hope niyaphila, guys. I hope niyaphila. Mina ngiyaphila, guys. Ngiyaphila, guys. I'm coping. I'm coping, guys. I'm coping. I'm doing well. Guys, on this video, we'll be dealing with the chapter 2 of the Labor Relations Act, the part 2. If you remember very well, in the previous video, we dealt with the chapter 2, but only the first part because it's a bit long. So today we'll be doing the last part of chapter 2, and the chapter 2 is about the freedom of association of the Labor Relations Act, that is popularly known as the LRA, the Labor Relations Act. So that's what we're going to be dealing with today, guys. All right, guys, and thank you very much, guys, for tuning in, and thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to the channel. I see the channel is growing. To those of you who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. At the bottom of this video, there's a subscribe option. Please do use it, guys. Subscribe there.